Mabuhay! Maui and Trizzy here. In this video, we are showing y'all El Nido Tour C. We started the morning off with complimentary breakfast at the El Nido Coco Resort. Then got picked up around 8:30. Tour C was 1,400 pesos per person, $26 USD. Our first stop was Helicopter Island. Apparently, it's shaped as a helicopter. As we approached the second stop, we were wondering where we were heading. Hidden Beach revealed itself as we got closer. By walking between canyon walls or through a small cave, you will get to Hidden Beach. It was a gloomy day for us, so we experienced some tropical rain, which felt amazing. The rain stopped by the time we got to Talisay Beach No. 2, where we had lunch. Some of our boat mates were brave enough to ingest some woodworm. They're slimy worm found in rotting trees and mangroves. We didn't try, but we enjoyed the entertainment. We spent some time snorkeling here as well. This rope right here was for us to hold onto while swimming to this opening. The tour guide safely got us through to relax at the secret beach. We roamed around and found some fun nooks to crawl and walk through because why not? Secret Beach is one way in and one way out, so we battled waves and got back to the boat. Our last stop was Talisay Beach No. 1. Earlier, we were at Talisay Beach No. 2. We did some more roaming around to squeeze in between limestones, just having fun. Normally, Tour C would include the Matinloc shrine, but we voted for another beach. That's it for Tour C, a full day itinerary with 5 stops. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and get notified. Stay tuned for more visuals from us, Maui and Trizzy.